What's up, guys? This is Sean from Rolla Customs. I want to say congratulations for another year. You did it. You did it. You ended up putting everything off to the side. You ended up getting all the gifts for your family. You ended up putting all your bills to the side. Your car repairs all off to the side just so that you can have a fantastic Christmas. And trust me, we've all done it. We've all pushed every single centimeter of brake pad that we could out of our brakes. We've all sat there and watched the temperatures of our engines climb and climb and climb and climb and climb as we sit in traffic. We're not going to worry about it. We could push it, guys. That little bit of a ticking noise in the motor, don't worry about that. I understand I need oil, but you know what? My kids need shoes, and mama needs a new diamond ring. We get it. We totally get it. Nobody else is going to understand it more than your boy right here. You putting off the light bill, and you know what? Your lights are still on. Thank God, right? We even pushed it paycheck by paycheck every single week to try to make it happen. And you know what? We're still here. Our families are happy. Everybody had a gift to open, and congratulations to every single one of us. We did it. But you know what, though? Our resources are starting to run low. There is no more brake pad left on that car. We are grinding metal on metal. The ticking that was in our motor now sounds like a choo-choo train. Yeah. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? That check engine light that's on. Now it's the end of the month. It's time for it to go into a new year with a fresh, clean inspection. How are we going to get that check engine light off?
That little engine silhouette, that's where the light goes on. But I took a piece of construction paper, cut it, shaped it, put it in there, took it for inspection. No issues. It worked like a champ.
Our ball tires, every single time that we had to take a corner in a 55 zone, that we had to slow it down to 35. Now it's time to replace those tires. Now we can. Every single time you have your family in your vehicle, you make that little left-hand turn, and you hear that little bit of clunking and thumping. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, you guys know what that is. Well, now it's time to take care of it before this happens. You know that really loud exhaust sound that you're hearing right now? And every single time you pass a cop, you just have like your one big toe right on the gas. Just it goes from ah to ooh.
Freeze, mister! Big toe.
Oh, gracious. Oh, gracious. We haven't crashed yet.
Yeah. You guys know what I'm talking about too there, don't you? And you just pray to God. You're like, please don't pull me over. Please don't pull me over. My inspection's up. I got a bad tail light. My car's ticking. I got ball tires. This guy's can give me 1,000 tickets. Whew. Nobody is going to understand you guys the way I do. No other business is going to care about your family. No other business out there is going to care about your bills or how hard it is. Nobody out there is going to care that money does not come easily to most people. So why do you keep on going to these big box chain stores who don't look at you as if you're a real person? They only want your cash. They only want your business. They don't care about you. 90% of the mechanics that are actually in the shop are not even certified to work on your vehicles. So why do you keep on trusting your family and your safety in the hands of these people, when you can actually take it to somebody who understands, who cares, who has a family of their own, who understands that money doesn't come easy to most, who understands that your safety is number one top priority. Right now is the perfect time to take care of the one thing that's been taking care of you and your family, and that is your vehicle. So bring it over here to me, High Roller Customs, and I got you covered. Let's go into a new year with a legit vehicle that's safe for everybody, safe on the road, not going to make you feel insecure when you get in that vehicle. Take it to somebody that is certified, take it to the person that is trusted, take it to somebody that has an education that is up to date in this department of the field of the automotive world. You can Facebook us, you can text us. I am open to any means of communication, whatever it takes to get your vehicle here in good hands. With that being said, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and of course a happy and safe New Year. Do not drink and drive. And if I find out you're drinking and driving, bust you up. And I'm not going to give you a good deal on your car repairs. Peace.